What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 28 from the third grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. We see that a third grade class voted for their favorite subject as shown, and then each triangle is 2 votes, and we have certain numbers of votes up here. And we're supposed to find out how many more students voted for math than science. Now, of course, math got the most votes in this problem because this is a math test. It probably wouldn't be the same for your class because I know a lot of people don't like math. But anyway, we're going to have to figure out how to read this table because reading charts and tables and then translating problems are the 2 big skills that we're going to need to know to do really well on a problem like this. And the biggest thing for this table is to remember that every triangle is 2 votes, which means that when we figure out math and science, which are the 2 that we're most interested in, 5 triangles means 2 times 5 or 10 votes. And then 2 triangles means 2 times 2 or 4 votes. So now we have the information about how many students wanted math and how many students wanted science for their favorite. Now we just need to answer the question of how many more students voted for math than science. Now whenever I see more, I want to automatically think addition. And since it's how many more students voted for math than science, that means that however many people voted for science plus some number equals how many people voted for math. So now I'm going to plug in the numbers that I know already. I know that 4 people voted for science, which means 4 plus some number equals 10. And at this point, since we don't know some number in the middle here, I want to break out my fact family ideas and say that if I know that 4 plus something equals 10, I also know that 10 minus 4 equals that same number that we don't know yet. And 10 minus 4, you can use a calculator or not, but that equals 6, which matches up with answer choice B. Another trick you can use for this, if you don't want to do all of this, even though this I believe is the best strategy because it has you practice translating a problem, which is very important for any grade. When you look at your math and science, you can say, oh, there's 2 triangles for science, and I see 2 triangles for math, so I'm going to cross out the science ones, cross out the math ones. That leaves me with 3 of these triangles left, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So these are 2 methods that actually gave us the same answer. It's good to have a couple methods and a couple problem-solving strategies in your back pocket for a problem like this. But I do also want to point out the trick answer, because if you forgot about these triangles, and you could see that there were 3 more triangles here, you might think, oh, the answer's 3. There's 3 more triangles. But of course, that's not it. North Carolina put this little thing in here to try to trick you. They love, love, love to do that with these questions, especially as you get up into the middle and high school questions. But our answer is choice B. 6 more students voted for math than voted for science.